Hello, this is Bobby and Crystal back at you.
Well,
We're at Taco Bell. We're going to try these wings that they have. Everybody's going on about for 1 week. And we just paid, let's see, $8.55 for 5 wings. Can you believe that? Crystal, what do you think about that?
a little ridiculous.
Yeah.
Much.
Well, anyhow, we have yet to get them. They've had us pull up and we're waiting on them to come out. So we're going to try these wings. Yep. So we're going to see how they are. $8.55. How do you feel about that?
I just think it's ridiculous.
I wouldn't normally pay that for 5 wings. I'm just trying them because everybody else is trying them, and we're going to see how they taste.
Yeah, that wasn't even include a drink because we have our drinks ourselves.
Yeah, that wasn't including the drinks. We have our own drinks. That was just for wings and sauce. 5 wings. And it's kind of weird because I heard some people say they were $6.99. I heard some people even say they were $4.99.
And some people got 2 orders and they were only like $12 and some change.
Yeah.
So here it would be almost $20.
I just don't believe I would honestly feel comfortable paying $1 a wing for any wing. You know, maybe if you got 5 whole wings, you know, but we're talking about a chicken wing cut in half.
Mm-hmm.
You know, 1 chicken wing is like $1.50 a piece or something.
Yep.
6, 7, a little bit over $1.50, $1.75. Yeah, well, it's definitely high. $8.55 for 5 wings. That's almost $2 a wing.
Sure is. We just start raising our own chickens.
Say that again.
Start raising our own chickens.
Well, I know one thing. I can't get us in here, both of us together, but we're here.
Yeah.
So, you can lean over this way a little bit. That way, yeah. She's hogging the camera. She's on camera. She's worse than Darcy off 90 Days. So we are just attempting to try them to see if they're better than Racetrack, the convenience store / gas station in Georgia. They have 5 wings for $5, or how many chicken tenders? 3 chicken tenders for $5, and they're delicious. Their wings are worth $5 for $5.
And they're really big tenders.
I was really surprised when I seen that at a convenience store.
So I've had COVID for the 2nd time and still hadn't got my voice back.
Yeah, that's why she sounds like she does.
And my ears are killing me.
And so I grew a beard for my grandkids.
And we tried to dye our hair.
Hence the hair and beard for Christmas. It was white, now it's silver. Well, they got a line out here, so I don't know what's going on.
It's Blue Ridge for you.
I don't know. I really don't. He said pull to the front step. There's a line of people out here. I don't know if they're waiting on these wings or what, but they didn't have them in LJ, Georgia.
They never
as
had
usual.
anything in
So
LJ.
in Blue Ridge, I pulled through here, and they happen to have them. We're not even hungry. We're just going to try them and see if they're any good. So I don't know. We're waiting, and we have been waiting for... We've been waiting for 5 minutes, and we still don't have the wings. So maybe they make them fresh. I don't know.
We'll see.
$8.55. Right there. 5 wings. Blue Ridge, Georgia.
Save your money and stay home, people.
We don't know yet. That may be the best thing we've ever eaten in our life.
That everyone's moving to the mountains.
Crystal did not like Taco Bell's Cantina Taco because it was cold, the shell, every time we got it.
Taco Bell. I
I
don't do cold food unless it's a salad.
If they meant for the shells to be cold or what. I think they're good because they're crunchy, but she didn't like it. They are going to have to up their food quality if they're going to charge this kind of price. You don't get no sides or nothing with these wings for $8.55. We're going on 6 minutes right now. We've been waiting on them. We've been looking for snow. We've seen just some dusting left. There's nothing. It's 31 degrees here. Friday, January the 7th. Please like, share, and subscribe if we ever get our videos posted up on YouTube. I don't know how to get my wife to do it, but she won't do it. Here comes our food. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. All right. We have this one. Thank you. Why are you messing with my camera there, young lady? It was just where I wanted it. Got the wifey there, ladies and gentlemen, trying to play a role in being in charge of the phone. She's attempting to break my phone. Alright, here we are.
Plain box.
As usual, like everybody says, plain box. The bottom says 1 box by Earth Choice. So I guess this is a recycled paper. Alright, there's what you're looking at, you get. Smells pretty good. You know, I like chicken, so that's about what you're looking at.
Doesn't look worse.
They are little. Smaller than my finger. They are hot. And, oh, see this? This is what they're giving you now. That's not even a, you know, sauce. Got some powder getting on my finger, so I don't know. Sauce is pretty good. We got 2 wings, 2 flats, 3 drums. Which one you want? Alright.
There it is.
That's the biggest one in the box. Right there. That's what
try it first with no sauce.
We're going to try it with no sauce. Here we go.
Out with the sauce.
Got some sauce. It's different. I've had wings all over the place. I like wings. This is definitely different. It's seasoned in something.
And queso seasoning.
They say that, but I can't taste queso. You know, do you taste queso?
No, I taste something. But it doesn't taste like queso to me.
Huh.
Maybe a little bit. But for almost $9, I'd want to taste more.
Well, these are good, but like I said, they're good. My review of them is they're good, but not for the price. 5 of these for $8.55. I mean, look at that. It's the size. It ain't even the size of my pinky. That's not good, you know. The taste is good. It's spot on.
Crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy and it's tender. You know, it's not dry. I think they did prepare them fresh.
I can taste a little bit of heat, but it's not bad.
Yeah, they got a little spice to them, but they're good. They're not real greasy, but for $8.55, you should get 7 wings at least.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go back through and order another box unless somebody I was with was wanting to try them. They're very good, but they're very overpriced. It's just I would be happy paying $5 for this box, but this box costs almost what it costs to go to a dinner buffet or Chinese buffet or something. So that's Bobby and Crystal, my beautiful wife. Like, share, and subscribe. They're worth trying. That's it. They're on to something, but they need to come off the price. This is crazy. You shouldn't have to work on your job an hour to pay for 5 wings. But anyhow, this is Bobby and Crystal, over and out from Georgia. Thank you for tuning in.